Hello student, chemical equilibrium we are discussing. What is Brown state, Lowry theory, chemical equilibrium, conjugate acid base pair, what are Brown state acid, what is Brown state base, proton acceptor is conjugate base, proton donor is conjugate acid. You have to find out conjugate base of the given. OH negative, HPO4 2 negative, HSO4 1 negative, HI, HCO3 1 negative, H2S and phenol. Now here I have written again this. So Brown state base of the substance which accepts proton. Okay, so if the substance which accepts proton, that is called Brown state base. Okay, we can say that proton acceptor, simple language, proton acceptor are BB, Brown state base. Conjugate base of hydroxide ion, OH negative is the oxide ion. Okay, so hydroxide ion is here, and what is the conjugate base of it? Oxide ion. So conjugate base of hydroxide ion is oxide ion. What does it mean? Hydroxide ion is acting here as conjugate acid. So this is conjugate acid because it donate H positive, but and the oxide ion conjugate base, it accepts proton. So after accepting proton, it will become conjugate acid. After donating H positive, it becomes O2 negative. Okay, so here conjugate base, after loss of H positive, it will become O2 negative. So Brown state Lowry definition: when acid donates proton to form its conjugate base O2 1 negative. Okay, so here OH negative, it donates, means remove H positive. So what will happen? O2 1 negative. HPO4 2 negative, donate this H positive. So it here PO4 3 negative will be their conjugate base. So conjugate, this is conjugate acid, this is conjugate base. All here this side conjugate acid, all here conjugate base. HSO4 1 negative, after the loss of H positive, the A minus proton, SO4 2 negative, means all these are acids because they are losing protons. HI, after loss of proton, it will form base. HCO3 1 negative, H positive lost, it will form CO3 2 negative. H2S, it is losing one proton, it will form HS1 negative. Okay, so see, this is 1 negative and this is 1 positive, so this is neutral, right? So this is, all these are conjugate acid, these are conjugate base. Now phenol, after losing H positive, so it will form phenoxide ion. So see here, phenol is conjugate acid and phenoxide ion is conjugate base. What does it mean? After loss of proton, it will form conjugate base. This conjugate base, when accept, I am writing like this,